All right, folks, we promised it and we want to make sure we are going to deliver on our promise. This is the Alarm Squad here, and we have a super fun challenge for them today. They're not going to be just racing head to head. They've got a surprise. But let's go through the trucks first. We've got Night Shifter here, followed by Police. Then we've got Humvee. And last but not least, we've got 5 Alarm. So today's challenge is going to include who can clear the magnet wall. Now there are some rules that I want to explain before we get to jumping. All trucks are going to jump. If every truck clears the magnet wall, the wall is going to grow, and we will add magnets on top. Now, if a truck clears the wall and tips the magnets but does not knock a magnet down, we count that as a cleared the wall and they move on to the next round. If magnets fall or a magnet falls, then they are eliminated. All right, trucks, head off to the fuel station and let's get ready to jump. Night Shifter off to a great start. He kicked this tournament off in style. Man, he cleared that wall by a mile. Wonder how far he's gonna go. Oh no! Well, we have our first truck that has been, unfortunately, eliminated. And Police is not moving on. And we're going to have to do some repairs to the magnet tower. Well, Police, you've got some company now. Humvee did not clear the wall either, and we have more maintenance to do on our magnet tower. No damage. Well, look at that. We've got our first truck to bounce off the wall and still clear it without knocking a magnet tile over. 5 Alarm is moving on to the championship round where he will face Night Shifter. Great jumping in the first round, you two. But don't get too excited yet. We've got some construction to do on the magnetile tower. Let's start adding some pieces. And we will see, can they clear the wall now with these extra blocks on there? Who is going to win? Night Shifter's up first. Ready, set, go! The judges are out and they are taking a look at the wall. And remember the rules. As long as a magnetile does not fall, it counts as a cleared wall. So, by those rules, Night Shifter has officially cleared the new wall. We will get the construction crew out to fix that gap in the wall, so it will be fair for when 5 Alarm comes down the track. 5 Alarm is up next. Ready, set, go! Oh no! 5 alarm. The magnetile wall is missing a piece. That means he does not move on, and we have ourselves an ultimate champion in Night Shifter. Night Shifter, would you like to have a victory lap? And if you knock that wall down, it doesn't matter because you are the champion. All right, Night Shifter's ready for his victory lap down the Thundersaurus track and into the giant magnetile tower. We even gave him the barrel roll jump so he can do some cool tricks going through it. Let's send him down and see what happens. What a way to finish out the race. Night Shifter came in and just took that whole tower out. We're going to leave him here on his podium of magnetiles and call it a day. Thanks, racers. We'll be back for more soon.